If your Freecash balance suddenly shows 0 after an update, first check that you were signed into the exact same account and login method you originally used. Freecash says a logout or technical update can sometimes make an account appear reset when the progress and rewards have not actually been lost. Freecash 1. By the end, you'll know how to check whether your balance is actually missing, whether you're viewing the wrong account, and what to do if the balance still doesn't return. Start by logging out of Freecash completely. Then sign back in using the exact same email address or social login method you used when creating the account. Freecash specifically recommends this when an account appears to have reset after being logged out. Freecash 1. This matters because signing in with a different method can create a synchronization problem. For example, if you originally used Google to create the account, don't switch to a different email login just because that address is also yours. After signing back in, check your profile and balance again. If the correct account loads, your balance in progress should return according to Freecash's support guidance. Freecash 1. If the balance still shows 0, don't immediately assume every reward has been deleted. Check your recent activity and any offers that were still processing before the update. For an offer you completed recently, Freecash says crediting can take up to 48 hours because information has to be shared between the different partners involved. That means a reward that hasn't appeared yet is different from a balance that disappeared after logging into the wrong account. If an eligible Freecash provided offer remains uncredited after 48 hours, you can open a support ticket from your profile. Go to Started Offers, find the affected offer, select the support option, and provide the completion date and screenshots showing your evidence. Freecash wet. If the offer came from a partner, the process is different. Freecash says partner offers should be handled through the original provider, and partner support should be contacted if the reward remains uncredited after 72 hours. Freecash 1. You can also check Freecash's current system status page. At the time of this check, Freecash reports that the platform is fully operational. Freecash 3. If your account still shows 0 after confirming the correct login, contact Freecash support through live chat. On desktop, use the green chat button in the bottom right corner. On mobile, open chat, and select the headset icon. Freecash 4e. So the fix is, log out. Use the exact original login method. Check your activity, allow up to 48 hours for eligible Freecash offers, and contact support if the balance remains incorrect. Your next step is to log out and sign back in using the same email or social login method you originally used. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more Freecash fixes, account troubleshooting, and reward guides.